Hi everyone, here Fatma. Today's video is going to be about the facial toners, which is also known as a secret skincare weapon. In this video we are going to learn why it's necessary to use toner, how we choose the right one for our skin type and our skin concerns, and how our skin is going to change after using this unique product. So as probably many of you know, I hope so, the complete skincare have three steps. First is the washing step, then we have the toning step, and the last is hydrating step. However, many of us are skipping the second stage, toning stage or step. There are probably some reasons. I personally have bad experience in the past. In that time, toners was of different content. They had some ingredients which just make to feel my skin very stretched and very dried out. Recently, I restarted to use, and I was pleasantly surprised. The toners, which we nowadays finding in the market, they are different of kinds. That was new experience for me. But of course, it's very important is to choose the right product for the right skin type, for the right concerns, and only then you can achieve these results. Sorry, introduction became longer than I was planning, but let's start to talk why should we consider to start using toner in our daily skincare routines. Toners are also called as a secret skincare weapon, and they comes in a water-based liquid form, absorbs in skin really fast. So we'll be talking today about 4 benefits. The first one is double cleansing. So toner removes the traces of the makeup and impurities or dirt which is left on our face after using our regular cleaning. And it also helps us to remove oil, excessive oil which have left on the skin. The second benefit, it regulates pH level of our skin. And it also restore the skin with the nourishments which might be regular cleanser has removed. The third thing, it helps us in the next stage when we are moisturizing or hydrating our skin. Because the moisturizers and the hydrators are much more easy penetrating in skin if it's already prepared, kind of moisturized, in place of there is just laying the dry layers of the skin and preventing penetration in. And the fourth last benefit is that already in this stage of toning stage we can start to treat our concerns, our skin problems, like for example acne, dryness, sensitiveness of skin, and so on. There are 3 types of toners available in market right now, and we are going to look through all of them that we know which one is the best for us. The first one is tonics. Tonics contain slightly higher concentration of active ingredients and may have a low percentage of alcohol content. Popular ingredients in skin tonics are natural extracts of orange and chamomile. Tonics are suitable for both normal and oily skin types. The second type is astringents. Astringents are strongest type of toner within a group, and they contain a high percentage of alcohol. Antiseptic ingredients are also often found within astringents that are designed to treat acne. The third type is bracers or fresheners, are mild alcohol-free toners. Bracers provide hydrating and soothing effect to the skin and are therefore best suited for the normal, dry, or sensitive skin types. The next actual question is, what should I look for when I'm choosing my next facial toner? An answer is to find the ingredients which are helping to your concerns. For example, if your concerns is a dryness, then rose water or vitamin E would help. Chamomile for the soothing effect if you have the sensitive skin. And to decrease inflammation and redness, aloe vera is a perfect choice. If you have a sensitive skin, select hypoallergic toners that calms and hydrates skin. Calming toners with ingredients such as the rose water and chamomile helps to soothe symptoms of sensitive skin, including redness and irritation. Don't use alcohol and soap-based toners that might irritate and dry out your skin. Dry skin is one more skin concern, and if you are the one who has it, then use hydrating toners that contains ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and urea. Hyaluronic acid acts as a moisture magnet, leaving skin feeling hydrated and plumped. Urea is hydrating moisturizer that allows skin to preserve its moisture. If you have oily skin, go for the toner that contains vitamin A, also known as a retinol. Retinol has been shown to effectively suppress sebum production, reducing the appearance of oiliness. Alternatively, tea tree oil is a natural ingredient used in the toners to help control excess oil. Avoid the use of toners with comedogenic ingredients, such as a mineral oil. Now it's time to talk how to use our toners. We should be using it twice in a day, in the morning and in evening, and it should be using in the morning like I was telling in before. But first we wash our face with our own choice of cleanser, and the next step we are using toners or toning our skin. So to share my personal experience, I would suggest after we have applied the toner, let it sit and work for some minutes, that we can really experience all the benefits which toner can provide to our skin. And just after, go to the next step, hydrating and apply our creams or serums or whatever we have planned. Toners should not be used as a replacement of your cleanser. While they are still able to remove impurities from your skin, they are the most effective when used as a follow-up to your cleanser. So often we are using toner, damming the cotton balls or pads and applying it to the face from the middle to the outward. So, and we are not forgetting the neck region, because whatever we are applying on face, we are also applying on the neck. Always remember that. Sometimes some toners are coming in the spray bottles, but for me personally it not feels like right, because if we are not using the cotton pads or balls, it's just all impurities and all oils lefting on the face. And when we are applying toner, it should be gentle, light movements, not the pressing and rubbing. And there are two regions which we are never applying toner. It is the gentle eye region and the lips. But let's talk how we know that our toner is working. This feeling and experience can be different from person to person. But normally, direct after using toner, we should feel that our skin is clean and fresh. And after 1-2 weeks of usage, we can start to already notice that skin becomes smoother and softer, and even more bright and clear. For those who has a dry skin, they can start to feel that their skin is more plumped and more moistured because of the ingredients of hyaluronic acid. It was difficult, I hope I pronounce it right. And those who has oily skin, they can notice that their pores have reduced in size and are not so visible. And for those who has sensitive skin, the redness might be start to disappear. But this all changements in skin, in the skin issues, in the skin concerns, we can just experience if we have chosen the right product which treat and help to all these issues. So to end up this video, I just want to share my personal experience of using toner. As I mentioned before, toner hasn't always been a part of my skincare routines, and I just recently have restarted to use it. But I can say that I have, till now, I have experienced a huge change in the feelings and the appearance of my skin. But to better understand my situation, I just want to mention that I have combined skin type. So it's mean that I have these oily regions and I have these dry parts. And the top of that, I have the sensitive skin type. So it's quite complicated to care for these type of skin combinations. I have been struggling for many years trying different products. Now when I have been using the toner as a part of my routine as a second step, I have noticed a huge difference during the process when I'm cleansing my skin. Before I was just using some cleanser, and I after was need to direct apply any kind of hydrator, because otherwise I was just like my skin was completely dry and irritated and uncomfortable. Now after cleansing, I'm applying my toner, and skin already in this stage becomes very comfortable and kind of satisfied. I can wait half hour or 1 hour before I applying hydrator, and still it feels completely fine. The second thing, as you know, as a sensitive skin, it always gets very irritated and red. When I'm using the toner, I still feel it's a little bit red, but it has decreased much more, and it's not more irritated and very uncomfortable. Third thing which I have noticed is it has become softer and more even and kind of brighter and shining. And when I'm applying the makeup, I feel I can apply it more evenly. It's not more like collecting in these some parts, the dry parts, and it's looking more even and beautiful. But I definitely don't want that this video become kind of convincing that you must now start using toner. Absolutely not. It's everyone's choice. This video was meant to be more informative, maybe encouraging for those who are not using toner, that know in the market are available different kind of toners, more gentle toners, and if you really choose the right one for your skin issues and for your skin type, you can actually get out a quite a good result, like I get myself. So I hope that you have learned everything about toners, and when you will decide to choose toner for you, you will have enough knowledge. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and take care.